If you're starting your weight loss journey and already feel confused, overwhelmed, or hungry all the time, this video is for you. Most beginners fail not because they lack motivation, but because they eat the wrong, healthy, foods. And wait till you hear food number 5, it helps burn fat while you sleep. If you're serious about losing weight without starving, stay till the end. Quick question before we start: are you a beginner or have you tried dieting before and quit? Drop BEGINNER in the comments so I know you're watching. Food number 1, oats, the beginner's best friend. Let's start with something simple, affordable, and powerful: oats. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which slows digestion and keeps you full for hours. For beginners, this is crucial because constant hunger is what ruins consistency. When you eat oats for breakfast, your blood sugar stays stable, cravings reduce, and you're far less likely to snack mindlessly. Add fruits, nuts, or seeds, and you've got a balanced meal that supports fat loss without stress. Food number 2, eggs, high protein, high results. Eggs are a weight loss superfood that beginners often underestimate. They are packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins that boost metabolism and muscle recovery. Eating eggs in the morning can significantly reduce calorie intake throughout the day because protein increases satiety hormones. You feel full longer and eat less, without even trying. Scrambled, boiled, or omelette style, eggs are easy to include daily. Food number 3, fruits. Yes, you can eat them. Many beginners fear fruits because of sugar, but here's the truth. Fruits like apples, berries, papaya, and oranges contain natural sugars with fiber, which slows absorption and prevents fat storage. They satisfy sweet cravings while providing vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration. Instead of reaching for cookies or sweets, fruits retrain your taste buds and support sustainable weight loss. The key is portion control, not avoidance. Food number 4, vegetables, volume eating without guilt. Vegetables are the secret weapon of every successful beginner. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and extremely filling. You can eat a big bowl of vegetables and still stay within your calorie limit. Leafy greens, carrots, cucumber, cauliflower, and bell peppers improve digestion, reduce bloating, and help your gut function better. When your digestion improves, weight loss becomes easier and faster. Food number 5, curd, Greek yogurt, fat loss while you sleep. This is the surprise food I mentioned earlier. Curd or Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics that improve gut health and fat metabolism. A healthy gut helps regulate hormones linked to weight gain. Having curd as a snack or with meals reduces cravings, improves digestion, and supports overnight fat burning. For beginners, this food is gold because it's simple, soothing, and extremely effective. Food number 6, dal and lentils, plant protein power. If you're vegetarian or just starting clean eating, dal and lentils are perfect. They provide protein, complex carbs, and fiber, all essential for fat loss. They keep you full, stabilize blood sugar, and prevent energy crashes. When beginners eat enough protein from dals, they naturally reduce overeating and improve consistency. Plus, they're budget-friendly and easy to cook. Food number 7, nuts and seeds, small portions, big impact. Nuts and seeds may be small, but they're powerful. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats that control hunger hormones and reduce cravings. When eaten in moderation, they actually boost fat loss by keeping you satisfied and preventing binge eating. Beginners often fail because they feel deprived. Nuts solve that problem beautifully. Now here's the truth: weight loss for beginners doesn't need fancy diets or extreme rules. It needs simple foods, consistency, and patience. Start by adding just 2 or 3 foods from this list into your daily routine, and watch how your body responds. If this video helped you, like it. It tells YouTube to show this to more beginners who need it. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly weight loss content. And comment, starting today, if you're committing to your journey right now. Your transformation begins with your next meal.